Good morning. Early start today. It is around like 5:40-ish. Oh, don't have my watch today. I need to grab my watch. Or not. It doesn't really matter. A walk is a walk, regardless of whether my Apple Watch recorded or not. We starting early day because we have to go shoot with my good buddies Josh and Frank. We're starting to shoot a podcast together, which was planned a while back. We actually planned this a month ago, and it kind of creeped up on us. But did some additional planning last night, and this morning I'm gonna head over there. We're gonna set up, we're gonna shoot. So today is gonna be a little bit of a different video. Good little mix up from what we've previously been doing. Format might change a little bit, but we're gonna have fun nonetheless. Maybe I'll film some of the process. Maybe I'll talk with them for a little bit while we're on cam. So gonna be fun, and I also got a couple of meetings or whatever to take while I am there and shooting, so we may have to interrupt our discussions to talk about or to have a meeting with one of my clients. So good day today. Feeling good. Got some good rest last night. Also was able to get the video finished and edited and uploaded and scheduled to go up this morning, so I'm not even worried about that because that's already done. Even though it was a late night, I probably didn't go to sleep until like 12 o'clock. We did it. We're all right. And we're up and at 'em. All right, so let's get the day started, and hopefully we can have a good shoot day and all the other stuff. All right, so there's a couple things I can take out of this truck. So I can bring some gear. Don't need basketballs because we don't have basketball. We might not have it next week either. Do a session tomorrow with a friend of mine. I'm gonna take these basketballs out. Bring this. We have some cars in here. Sometimes it's good to hear like someone speak life into you, but then sometimes you gotta speak life into yourself. And to be honest with you, this week I am really proud of myself just because I've stuck to what I said I was gonna do, and I also did not eat out anywhere. Everything I ate came from the house or from the groceries that I bought this week. I'm gonna continue that today. I make my own coffee, and then I am going to make me a sandwich to go so I can at least have some sort of fuel for this meeting with the bros. Kind of need to mix that up just a little bit. All the things at the bottom. Yeah, I just loaded up some stuff. I'm not bringing a lot. They have some stuff that they put it together and stuff, and they sent me a list of stuff. I think we'll be okay. I'm going to try to keep it as minimal as possible so we can continue to repeat this process. Alright, that should be much better. There's a little bit more that I had to grab, but we're good to go. Let's get up out of here. Where's the art at? Let me see.
A cumulus cloud on top of a mountain.
I feel like that's the face right there of a horse. That's the mane right there on the top.
I can see that. That's the eye.
Yeah. See this? Yeah. Alright, I made it here. There's Josh. Jay, do you mind being on camera?
No, not at all.
There's Jada, Josh's girlfriend.
Hi.
You got the vibes going.
Vibes going. Latte
Making
fresh out.
lattes.
Not gonna
Incense
give you
burning.
Yeah.
Jay done made some hash browns.
Yep.
Do you want a bagel? I can toast it for you.
I'll take one. Yeah.
Okay, we have a savory and a sweet everything, and then this is cinnamon raisin. We have cream cheese too.
I'll try this.
We also have yogurt.
That's not okay. I tried.
Yeah. What time do you normally go to bed?
I try to go to bed at like 10:30
Oh, okay.
at least, but last night 5:15.
Oh.
Last night I had to go to Last night I had to go to pick up Jaden from the movies. We went to go see Spider-Man.
That's your oldest?
Yes.
Okay, he went with friends or his girlfriend?
Josh was spent all night putting up the setup.
I thought he was going to drop it in chat and be like, put the lights up.
Alright.
Frank is here.
What up?
Frank is here. He's ready. All right, so let's. You want to do this on the? That's.
What's going on here?
Don't worry about that.
Hold on now.
That's supposed to stay in the house. That one's supposed to stay in the house.
2 persons.
Oh,
Or around 25 or under. Yeah, I thought he was going to bring it back a little bit.
Someone what you call them cable?
Finally.
The extension cable
No. For what?
for the aux cable.
I think.
all of these at 4K, because I know I've edited some stuff recently from some of these cameras, and it's been in a 4K UHD. Yeah.
All right, so we filmed
Yeah.
episode 1 already, and we're about to switch gears a little
What
bit.
shirt y'all finna put on? So everybody
I'm
knows
going.
what
I'm going with the brown joint, the
Brown.
tan joint. Should be good to go for the next one. I'm gonna try to keep the time down, but it's hard when you got 3 people talking and we're communicating about different stuff. So yeah, better go into episode 2. All right, just got home. It is 8:32. Long day. Had a good shoot with the bros though, and was able to shoot quite a few podcasts. Thanks, Carter. Wait, before I finish, we got our first. I'm gonna call this a sponsor, even though it's not. It's not a sponsor, but they did send it to me. Is this from who I think it is? Oh yeah, this is the Island Way Sorbet. Island Way just sent it to me. Thank you so much. Oh, hold on. Let me open it up. Yeah, so they emailed me like the other day, really, and said they were gonna send something to me. So this is that box. Look at this. Sorbet. It looks good. They have another box of things in here. They gave me some, looks like some decals and stickers. Island Way. Oh, this is for the fridge. Very nice. Thank you so much, guys. TJ, paradise is served. We are so excited for you to try Island Way. I hope it offers some blissful moments along your busy schedule. Up to you if you want to share them with the fam. The Island Way team. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I don't know. Maybe I won't share it with the fam. Open immediately. Paradise awaits.
I want that.
Wait, girl.
I have it.
This is so I can sleep well. This is for me.
No, it's for
Yes,
me.
it's
I
for me.
want it.
You ball here? Oh, they did ask me my size. Look at that. Nice embroidery. And thank you so much. This is perfect. All right, so let me try this. It's handcrafted with real fruit shells. Let's try this and see what it's talking about. Oh, wow! Look at this. These are like crazy. That has a real orange shell on it, and it's sorbet inside of that orange shell. And you can smell like the zest coming off. Why does she already have a spoon? See if you can dig your piece out. Ooh, that came out really good.
Yeah.
Is it good?
I tasted coconut one before at Nana's house.
One of these? Well, you haven't had one of these before. Not
Carter,
this one.
remember we ate the coconut thing?
Babe! Babe! You need to try this. Have you had these before? Move. No, I am bittering it. You're on video right now.
Oh, okay.
So no, let me tell you what this is.
Oranges.
Let me tell you what this is. Okay, so this is it's a real orange.
What about the mango?
No, smell it. Like that's an actual real orange.
Oh.
You smell the zest on it?
Yeah.
And then they handcrafted this. They put like sorbet inside of the orange.
Okay.
And then they
I
freeze
got
it.
my own spoon. They've been eating. They've been using.
Well, nobody uses this. You want to try some, Jay? That's good, right? They said it's up to me if I wanted to share it with the family or not.
Are you sharing with the family?
I guess so. Y'all like it?
Yeah.
No,
Four.
There's 4 flavors.
Here's the mango. Let's try the mango. Let's try all of them.
There's heavenly coconut. There is red berry, and then there's passion mango, and there's zesty pomegranate.
Wait, so which one was the one we just tried?
We just had the orange one.
No, look.
it's right here.
Passionate.
Passionate mango.
What?
Why is
That
that
was
in the
passionate
orange
mango.
though?
Oh, so we are
They
eating
just-
the mango right now.
Yeah, it's just in that fruit, a fruit container basically.
Let's try the red berry
Jam!
and
Y'all ate it all?
Yeah, Carter's killing it. This is supposed to be for me.
we like it though.
It's a real coconut shell.
Carter keeps one of the coconut shell.
Carter, you just ate the whole other one.
Crazy.
He acted like he ain't eating days.
You know what I'm saying?
Let's try this one.
Wait, we have to do. What are we gonna do with this one?
Jam!
I tried.
Just Davidson! Mom, this should be a needle. This one's up.
Red berry ruby.
Red berry.
I go first. I want to go first.
I want to second. I want that.
Y'all nasty. Oh yeah, that one's really soft.
Oh. Nova. Me go first. Ah, me.
Look. So this is a lime.
Ow.
And this one is
That looks like a
zesty
lemon.
pomegranate.
A lemon.
It shows a lemon in the picture.
Carter, don't take all of it. Don't take all of it.
Zesty. That's good. That's like the best thing ever.
Carter,
That's zesty.
you want to try some of the zestiness?
Want to try coconut?
Coconut? Get you a spoon.
Then you cross-contaminated. You sick.
No. Stop. Get a
You said
little
what?
piece.
What's this?
This is zesty pomegranate.
I want to try the zesty one.
Oh, that one is dusty.
Which one? This one?
It's zesty.
Or that one?
Zesty.
Get out of here.
Zesty.
You try the zesty.
Yeah,
Alright, you're doing too much.
I want to be zesty though.
Okay,
What?
Okay, it's pretty zesty.
play with me, man.
You want to try coconut?
Yeah, that one was pretty zesty.
Coconut.
Y'all are. This is actual coconut.
Okay, I think everybody has had enough.
No.
Alright, 3 scoops.
Hold it, take it.
Look, Island Way, I need y'all to send me another one.
You got merch too.
Wait, I'm not in the. We got merch. Wait,
You buy our merch.
we should make our own. We should make our own merch.
You're not wearing that. That's supposed to be for me.
No, that's mine. That's mine.
It doesn't even fit you. Like that would fit
This is
me.
my size.
That's my size.
No, that's my
Like that would fit
size.
me.
That's
Alright,
that's
No, but
what do you think?
Yeah, this is not gonna fit you.
You just want all the clothes for yourself.
Oh, it's cold.
zesty.
no, but
You can't touch the dry.
Last piece.
Yeah, it's not like that anyways.
Anything that keep it cold.
Last
These are good.
This is the best one. In
Is that
my
the first one we
opinion.
had? That's the zesty one?
No.
Can I get one?
No, but that you got a scoop.
You want a whole one?
I mean, alright.
Take that.
This.
You see, it's in a real fruit.
Where'd the coconut go?
Jade has it.